Hi everybody, I'm reviewing the best wireless earbuds on Amazon. The reason I'm doing this is because I know how important it is to have good sound when you're at the gym or on the go. Now there are a lot of options out there, but here are some of the ones we really like. That is why I decided to make this video for you guys. All the links of the earbuds are in the description, below the video. Subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell, to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's get started. And at number 5, the best wireless earbud is Samsung Galaxy Wireless Earbuds. You will be able to feel like you are in the front row, or part of something great and bigger. 12mm speakers with sound by AKG work together with it to deliver spacious sound. Its ergonomic design also helps it to deliver spacious sound. On the other hand, the large driver and bass duct help emit deep bass with airflow that lets sound flow seamlessly and amazingly. The impressive thing about this earbud is, it sits softly inside the ear and gives you a fit for all-day comfort with less fatigue. The ergonomic design provided with it is snug yet non-instructive with 2 wingtip sizes for a better fit. You will get a chance to commute to the office, go to a friend's house, and more without your buds falling from your ear. The active noise cancellation given with it keeps the noise out and lets the world in. You can get back into grooving with just a few minutes of charging. 5 minutes of charge can give you about an hour, whether you need to use it for your favorite playlist or the latest podcast. And another interesting thing is you can also charge it with your smartphone. It is provided with Bixby Voice Wake Up, which will be ready whenever you call. It will wake up to your voice and will let you control your phone also without lifting a finger. You can even manage your calls, adjust the volume, or check the weather while on the move. You will talk and Bixby will listen. You can put Galaxy Buds Live in pairing mode near the PC and get your work done. You can also use Windows 10 PC's Swift Pair for an easier way and simpler way to connect the two. These qualities make it one of the best wireless earbuds of Amazon. And at number 4, the best wireless earbud is Jabra Elite Active True Wireless Earbuds. It will provide a secure fit to you, which will give security about going anywhere, doing anything, without even worrying about losing an earbud. It is specially tested for a secure fit and there is extra grip coating in it. You can consider them as compact and comfortable, and they are designed to stay in place, even if you put them through their paces. You will get IP57 rated waterproofing in it, with a 2-year warranty against dust and sweat also. You can wear them without worrying about rain, they won't be damaged by rain. It is provided with active noise cancellation that helps it to filter out the world, focus on your music and work. You can also use an app called Sound Plus to activate active noise cancelling mode the first time you use it and switch between active noise cancellation and hear through via the earbud buttons. So you will get full freedom to get fully focused on the needed jobs like exercising and all. You can trust in its battery and rely on it because it will give you up to 5.5 hours on a single charge and can also get 24 hours of total service with the charging case. Without the active noise cancellation mode, you will get 7.5 hours of service in the buds and up to 28 hours in the handy charging case. Another thing is its fast charging feature will give you up to an hour of battery in just 15 minutes of charging. You will get the hear-through mode that uses 4 built-in microphones to pick up the sounds around you, and this earbud will play them through your earbud speakers. So you won't need to pause the song or playback to hear and keep an eye on what's happening around you. Not only that, you can use the customizable slider in the Jabra Sound Plus app. Personalize how much surrounding sound you want to hear. Hear-through also works when you will listen to audio or on a call or when there is no playback. You will get a great experience of making and taking calls because of its enhanced 4 microphone technology, which filters out disruptive noise around you, and this amazing earbud set will let you connect to Amazon Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant. And at number 3, the best wireless earbud is Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2 Wireless Earbuds. Sennheiser's 7mm dynamic earbud audio driver delivers unrivaled stereo sound. Frequency response 100 Hz to 10 kHz. Frequency response 5 to 21,000 Hz. The bespoke drivers of the Momentum True Wireless 2 earbuds enhance every genre of music, from classical to modern. Deep bass, natural mids, and clear, detailed highs are all part of the Momentum True Wireless 2 earbuds. Smart Control app lets you customize your listening experience by allowing you to use built-in equalizers to achieve even better sound quality. The Momentum True Wireless 2 helps you to focus on what is important at the right moment. The new active noise cancellation feature allows you to turn off the world and get lost in your favorite song, episode, or call. You can now enjoy high-fidelity sound in noisy environments thanks to the earbuds' passive noise isolation. Transparent hearing allows you to effortlessly bring your attention back to the present and listen to what's going on around you. The new design allows you to listen to long playlists and stay on the phone for longer periods of time. You will be able to wear your earbuds comfortably, even while you are not wearing them. The new Momentum True Wireless 2 has been designed with the highest quality ergonomics to provide the best listening experience. It offers 28 hours battery life, 7 hours on one charge. Both earbuds come with customizable touch controls that can be customized to make your life easier. You can control your audio, manage calls, or activate Apple Siri or Google Assistant with a single tap. Smart Pause ensures that you never miss a single note of your favorite song. It automatically stops when you take out your earbuds and resumes seamlessly when you put them back in. The Momentum True Wireless 2 is a dedicated device that shapes the future of audio. It combines the most advanced technology with high-quality materials and precise craftsmanship. They are now IPX4 splash resistant, so they will not be damaged by rain or sweat. You can now rest assured that you have the perfect earbuds to fit your lifestyle. In at second place, the best wireless earbud is Jabra Evolve 65T, True Wireless Earbuds. The Jabra Evolve 65T is a great pair of truly wireless earbuds, with a solid 15 hours of battery life and a comfortable fit that makes them easy to wear during a workout. With a reasonable price tag, the Jabra Evolve 65T is a great choice for a pair of earbuds that you will use in a lot of different settings. Jabra Evolve 65T Bluetooth earbuds have superior call quality and 4 microphone technology. They also offer true wireless connectivity, which reduces audio dropouts. These Bluetooth earbuds provide a reliable connection. The Jabra earbuds block background noise by offering multiple fit options. They are snugly in ear and seal out a sound. You can make calls from anywhere, whether you're at work, home, or on the move. You can become more aware of what's around you with the hear-through technology in these work earbuds. It filters out the sounds from the surrounding environment and allows you to touch a button to activate it. These wireless earbuds offer up to 5 hours of battery time on a single recharge and up to 15 hours with the included charging case. Wireless earbuds will keep you connected no matter where you are. The Jabra Sound Plus app has a customizable equalizer that allows you to personalize your music and call experience. These wireless headphones are compatible with all platforms and phones, including Zoom, Google, and Cisco. In at number 1, the best wireless earbud is Bose QuietComfort Wireless Earbuds. It is provided with great noise-canceling technology, and its Bose controllable noise cancellation and full transparency mode will allow you to eliminate distractions, also keep you in touch with surroundings or a little bit of each. It is manufactured with an exclusive acoustic architecture that will bring your music, podcasts, and videos to life. On the other hand, volume-optimized active EQ will keep the sound crisp and balanced at any level. You will get 3 sizes of Stay Here Max ear tips that are included for a secure fit. These ear tips are crafted or made from soft silicone, so they can provide passive noise blocking with total comfort also. You will get simple touch controls in it. They will be as easy as just tapping, swiping, or pressing. You will be able to do a lot with it. You can control your noise cancellation setting, pause, play, and volume right from the side of the earbud itself, and you can enable it all in the Bose Music app. You will get noise-rejecting tiny microphones. They will work together to focus on your voice, and they will filter out surrounding noises for fewer distractions during phone calls. It will help you get a great calling service. It is provided with a long battery life that you will be able to listen for up to 6 hours on just a single charge. The charging case will provide an additional 12 hours battery life, which is chargeable via USB-C cable or wirelessly with any QI-certified charging mat. It is weather and sweat resistant and IPX4 rated, so it can withstand water, some inclement weather, and sweat. This Bluetooth earbud with a microphone is provided with Bluetooth 5.1 that can give a strong, consistent connection to your device within 30 feet. Its size is 1.99 by 3.42 and 1.34 inches. Its weight is 0.317 ounces. The color of this in-ear earbud is called triple black. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, and share this video.